Listen to the glue now. Put the glue on. That's the front part where the shower goes. My new shower head and stuff. That's all you can look nice and little bit. Josh was playing with his cars. Say hi, Joshua. He's playing with his cars. Or doing the bathroom. What are you doing? Yeah. Pulling off the fan. Watch it so that don't fall on you, baby. Move your truck up from behind it. Ah, you got a truck coming. Oh no, here comes a truck. Oh no, there it goes. There it goes. Here comes Grandpa. Oh no.